Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. The words of Helen Keller are our inspiration and unite us to do service to our community. 320Z, a newly curved district with all rural and remote clubs. With 69 clubs, the Lions District 320Z spread over the geographical area of combined Karimnagar and Adilabad revenue districts in Telangana state. District administration is always enhancing service impact with the support of our DZ team and GAT district coordinators under the guidance of our vast experienced past district governors. Every year, we are focusing on training more than 500 Lions through various leadership training institutes. GMT is focusing on membership growth every year by organizing member orientation programs.
We are organizing special membership drives to invite like-minded people into Lions organization where the community needs Lions services. This year we have extended 4 new clubs and inducted 380 new members. We believe in more members, more services to community.
All the clubs are doing various need-based and global causes activities. With more than 60 permanent projects, Lions District 320Z is serving the communities throughout the Karimnagar and Adilabad districts and reaching millions of people. Lions Club of Karimnagar started Eye Hospital in 1988 at Rekurdi and providing services to the people of the entire Karimnagar district.
ఇందులో కూడా మేము 1,45,000 ఆపరేషన్లు 5,000 మరి ఫేకో సర్జరీస్ చేయడం జరిగింది.
ఫ్రీ ఆపరేషన్ చేశారు, మందు ఫ్రీ ఇచ్చారు, మంచిగానే కనబడతారు. డాక్టర్ మంచిగా చేశారు, సిస్టర్ మంచిగా చేశారు, ఆపరేషన్ మంచిగా అయింది.
Ramagundam Artificial Limbs Center providing artificial limbs free of cost, benefiting more than 500 people every year.
నా కాలు ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది హాస్పిటల్లో. రామగుండం లయన్స్ క్లబ్ వాళ్ళు నాకు కాలు ఫ్రీగా పెట్టింది.
Established in 2006, Bellanpalli Eye Hospital is serving the entire Adilabad district and providing free eye operations and eye care treatment to poor people.
ప్రతి నెలలో 4 క్యాంపులతో సంవత్సరానికి 50 క్యాంపులు ఏర్పాటు చేసేసి సంవత్సరానికి 2,000 మందికి ఉచిత ఆపరేషన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది.
15,000 ఐఓఎల్ సర్జరీస్ జరిపినాము. ఇందులో 12,000 ఐఓఎల్ సర్జరీస్ నిరుపేదలకు ఉచితంగా ఆపరేషన్స్ నిర్వహించినాము.
We feel happy in partnering to solve community problems. Lions Club of Sirsilla partnered with Arun Abhay Oswald Trust, which provided a fully equipped ambulance called Hospital on Wheels.
Thanks to Arun Abhay Oswald for lending us this ambulance, which is called as Hospital on Wheels, which is very useful to the rural areas.
With all the air conditioned and minor operation theatre, it has LCD projector, it has a microscope, it has a lab equipments, and definitely this is going to help the rural areas for rendering good health camps at their places.
It is a very big problem if you don't have toilets in the schools, and especially for girls. We have constructed 13 blocks of project. It's a completely sheet toilets for girls at Sabaran School, and we spent 1,30,000 per that.
లయన్స్ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ చొప్పదండి ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ సర్వీస్ ట్రస్ట్ మేము 2016 నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు 50 మంది పేద విద్యార్థులకు ప్రభుత్వ పాఠశాల చదివే పేద విద్యార్థులకు 5,000 రూపాయల చొప్పున స్టడీ మెటీరియల్ వారికి అందించడం జరిగింది.
Reshaping public opinion and improving the visibility by installing hoardings, park benches and publishing the newspaper articles in the local newspapers and news channels about Lions service activities. District 320Z is always exploring the new service ideas to fulfill the needs of our community.
Lions Club International District 320G ఈరోజు ఒక 40 ఫ్రీజర్స్ను బాడీ ఫ్రీజర్స్ను డొనేట్ చేయడం, అదేవిధంగా హోమ్ ఐసోలేషన్ కిట్స్ను అందించడం, అదేవిధంగా ఫేస్ షీల్డ్స్ను కూడా అందించడం చాలా సంతోషం.
విజయ్ గారు అందరికీ పేరు పేరున హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. మరి సిరిసిల్లలో
చక్కటి సేవలు అందిస్తున్నందుకు వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు.
Our district also has undertaken many service projects. Membership growth also has been positive. This is all because of the dedicated and committed members.
We are providing need-based services, especially on vision care, hunger and diabetes.
సామాన్య ప్రజలకు అందుబాటు ధరలో ఉంచుతూ ప్రతి ఒక్కరి యొక్క దాహాన్ని తీర్చడం అనేది చాలా బాగుంది.
District 320G is always in the forefront in respect of membership growth, MJF and the service activities which are need-based.
అంగట్ల కూరగాయలు అమ్ముకుంటాం. మాకు చక్కెరలు ఇచ్చినందుకు మాకు సంతోషమే.
Our district 320G after trifurcation has given the maximum membership growth, the maximum Melvin Jones Fellow, and I feel really proud to be a part of this district.
District 320G is giving very good administration and services to the needy community, particularly positive membership growth and strengthen the LCF by becoming more MJFs.
During the Lionistic year 2016 and 17, we have extended 11 new clubs, inducted 879 new members, and enrolled 57 lion-size MJFs.
As a governor in the Lionistic year 2017-18, I have extended 15 new clubs and 8 DO clubs and formed DO district of 320G.
The district 320G has been very successful in reaching out to the community and provide its services to more than 15 lakh beneficiaries.
We always work on improving the quality of service and taking initiative for administrative excellence. This year, we have targeted every club should have a permanent project. With the active involvement of GAT, our District 320G placed in top 10 list in membership and service activities and uploading to MyLane app. We are reaching more than 1 million beneficiaries every year and spending millions of rupees for fulfilling the needs of our community.
The District 320Z has shown a significant growth in membership with 2,412 members, 69 clubs, and contributed $125,000 towards LCIF just in 4 years. We believe that the Lions are global leaders in humanitarian service.